To access your Kami license dashboard, head to the top right-hand corner of the menu bar and click on your Kami profile. Click License Dashboard, then Administer License. Welcome to your Kami license dashboard. Here you'll find everything about your Kami license. If it's active, your license type, how many seats you have, active users, and how many students are awaiting sign-up. Awaiting sign-up means they haven't created a Kami account yet, but once they log into Kami using their school email address, their license will automatically activate. Sharing your teacher license with your students is super easy. If you're using our integration with Google Classroom, Schoology, or Canvas, your students will automatically be added to your license once they open any Kami assignment you share. Just make sure you both have the Kami extension installed first. If you're using an LMS that we don't integrate with, or you don't use one at all, sharing your license key is still a breeze. First, click on your profile in Kami. Click License Dashboard. Then click Administer License. Scroll down to How to share access with your students. Here, you'll find your license sharing link. Just click the copy button and send it off to students. Alternatively, you can share your teacher license code. Once sent, students will need to select their Kami profile, click Enter License Coupon, paste the code and click Apply. Don't worry, there's no difference between your license sharing link or your teacher license code. These are both unique to you and allow you to share Kami with your students.